Good morning, everybody. This is Matt Bustle with Solutions to Low Voltage. Happy Thursday. I hope you guys are having a great day. I apologize for the noise in here. We are at a large manufacturing facility. What we're going to be doing today is repairing some fiber and putting in 10 wireless access points for Zebra scanners. These warehouses, everything is high-tech. But before we get into the high-tech stuff, guys, I want to remind y'all of the most important thing with any trade, and that's safety. Guys, what we have today is we got our two technicians out here. We got Sean Hathaway. He's putting on this safety harness. It's for fall protection. I know you guys are like, oh man, that thing's in the way. But when he gets up on that scissor lift and he goes 25 feet up in the air, he's going to have fall protection because I want him to go home to his mama tonight. Richard, he's got his hard hat on. He's always going to practice safety for us. Today he's got his measuring wheel. This is a really cool wheel. It will tell you exactly how many feet the cable pulls need to be. You know, guys, Cat 6, 300's your limit. So we got to make it happen. Let's practice safety, guys. You guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for looking.